Okay, fine. So what we can do now, let's check whether SSMS is installed or not. Yes. Once SSMS is installed, okay, it will show you restart option, guys. Once SSMS is installed, it will show you restart option. Okay, so what you can do now, just restart it. Okay, so it is going to reboot the server, whole Windows machine. Restart means what? It is going to reboot the whole Windows machine, guys. It is going to reboot the whole Windows machine. So once the machine is back, so what we can do, guys, we can directly open SSMS and we can try connecting to the SQL server. That I'll tell you. Okay, so let it be. So once I rebooted the server, the remote connection also will be closed. Why? Because the server is going to be rebooted. If the server is up and running, then only I can use RDP. Now the server is in the process of rebooting. So once the server is back again, then again I can connect to the Windows machine. Then I can open SSMS and I can work with that particular SSMS and all, guys. Okay. So just wait for a minute. So once the machine is back, we are going to discuss the SSMS and all. So now in the meantime, SSMS SQL Server Management Studio, actually it was introduced from 2005, guys. From 2005 onwards, SQL Server Management Studio is there. From SQL Server 2005, SSMS was introduced. Before 2005, like SQL 2000 is there, right? For SQL Server 2000, we'll use SSMS kind of tool only, but the tool name is Query Analyzer. Okay, the tool name is Query Analyzer. This is before 2005. Only for 2000, we used this Query Analyzer. From 2005 onwards, SSMS is introduced. So 2005, 8, 8R2, 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 22. Till now, we are using SSMS tool to connect to the SQL servers, guys. Okay. But up to 2014, it was inbuilt tool. From 2014 onwards, it was separated. So again, you have to install separately. Like if you are installing SQL Server versions 2016 and above to that, you have to install the Management Studio separately, guys. Sometimes there is a chance in case a senior guy is taking interview, like sometimes 55 years old guy, 60 years old guy also will take the interviews. In that scenario, they were they started their career early, right? They started their career, so they will have experience with query analyzer and all. So they might ask which tool will use to connect to the SQL Server 2000 and all. So only the answer is query analyzer. It is also kind of SSMS only, same SSMS only, but it's 20 years, 24 years back, right? So the very old kind of tool it will be. Fine. So Management Studio can be installed only once, guys. It's a shared component. Management Studio for the whole Windows machine, one SSMS is enough. Okay, using this tool, we can connect to multiple instances. We can connect to multiple instances using a single SSMS. So yesterday we installed one instance, today we installed one instance, two instances are there. That doesn't mean for 2019 I have to install one SSMS, 2022 I have to install one SSMS, 2014 I have to install one SSMS, not required. You can use the single SSMS to connect to multiple instances of different versions. Okay. Up to 2014, as SSMS is an inbuilt tool, so when you install 2005, you will get one SSMS in the Windows machine. When you install 2008, you will get one more SSMS. When you install 2008 R2, you will get one more SSMS. When you install 2012, you will get one more SSMS. When you install 2014, you will get one more SSMS. So it will create a lot of confusion and all while opening. It will create a lot of confusion. So that's why they separated the SSMS tool from 2016. So one SSMS tool is enough to connect to multiple instances of different versions. For 2022, 2019, 2016, 2017, whatever it is, one SSMS tool is enough. No need to install multiple SSMS tools for each version. Not required. So can we connect different versions of SQL service in the same Management Studio? The answer is yes. But there are few challenges. What are those challenges? That I'll tell you. So listen carefully. It's not difficult. You can connect. See, SSMS is also a software that is also having a version. You can connect lower version SQL servers in the higher version SSMS. Okay, without any issues. Okay, guys, means your SSMS version is more and your SQL Service version is less. For example, SQL Server 2005, we can connect in the 20.0 SSMS. So we just installed, right? We can connect. No issues. If the SQL Server version is lower version and the SSMS is higher version, there will be no issues at all. But if SSMS is lower version and SQL Server is higher version, can we connect, guys? Can we connect?
No.
We can connect. We can connect. But I told you, right? We can use SSMS to connect to any versions of SQL Server. No issue in that. But SSMS is lower version, SSMS is higher version, SQL Server is lower version. You don't face any challenges. And SQL Server is higher version, SSMS is lower version means higher version SQL Server features, higher version SQL Server features won't be visible in lower version SSMS. I'll give you an example, guys, once SSMS is ready. Again, I'm saying, first point you have to keep in mind, you can connect to any version of SQL Server in the SSMS, no issues. But if the SQL Server is lower version and if the SSMS is higher version, you don't face any challenges. Everything is looking normal only. But SQL Server is higher version and you are using, for example, 2019 instance, you are connected in the 2005 SSMS. Then whatever 2019 instance features are there, advanced features, that won't be visible in the 2005 SSMS. Why? Because in the 2005 SSMS, that option is not there. So if the SQL Server is higher version and SSMS is lower version, you don't see higher version features in the lower version SSMS, guys. Is it clear now, everyone? Why? Because sometimes we have to work with older machines, legacy machines. So in that case, once you open SSMS, you don't know which version SSMS will open. You will simply connect. But sometimes you cannot see some features. So you don't worry. That is because of SSMS only. SSMS will suppress the latest version features in the older version of SSMS. So that's why if SQL Server is lower and SSMS is higher, no problem at all. You can leave this. But if SQL Server is higher, SSMS is lower, then higher version SQL Server features won't be visible in the lower version SSMS, guys. Clear, everyone? Any questions, doubts?
How to check SSMS versions? Shanmugh?
Generally, if it is lower version, automatically, for example, here in this machine SQL Server 2005 installed. So you can see here, right, the folder. Like when I install 2019, you can see 2019 folder. So when you install 2019, 2005, you can see SQL Server 2005 here, like this folder. When you expand it, you can see SSMS in that. That is quickest way to find which version it belongs to. Okay. So, but nowadays we are using the latest versions of SSMS, right? So you can use, again, a separate folder will be created. See Microsoft SQL Server Tools 20. So in that you can see Management Studio. Just open this. So when you open any application using help option, you can see the version of see here, V20.2. And even when you are opening SSMS also, the particular version, the older versions, it will show you SQL Server 2005 like that. In the SSMS itself, it will show like, let me show you using images. Okay, you will get an idea. When you open any SSMS, SQL Server 2005 Management Studio. See, like this you can see. When you open SSMS, you can see like this. Older versions. If it is 2008, it will show you 2008. If it is 2008 R2, it will show you 2008 R2. If it is 2012, it will show you 2012. Like this, it will show you. The latest versions, it will not show you like that. Simply, it will show you Management Studio. That's it. So that you can check the version in the help section. Okay, clear now?
Yes, Shanmugh.
So let's wait for a minute. Don't double click on it again. This is a setup file. This is this definitely whatever we discussed. Again, we'll do the same thing. Don't know, you will ignore or you don't watch the videos or you don't listen. Simply after installation, this is a setup file, guys. When you again open this, what you will get it? What you will get it, guys? What you will get it?
It will again install.
Correct.
Installation window.
But if it is already there, it will not ask you to install again. It will show you repair option.
Repair or delete in uninstall.
Correct. So Shanmugh, I don't see install button. Shanmugh, I don't see install button, like that they will ping me in the WhatsApp. So this is a setup file. So if it is a setup file, again, you already installed the setup file. See, repair, uninstall, close. This screenshot they will take and they will send it to me. Shanmugh, I can't see install button. You are opening the setup file. When you are opening the setup file, if the component is there, again, it don't ask you to install. It will simply ask you to repair or uninstall. So once you installed the SSMS using setup file, you can ignore it. So how to open the SSMS once you installed completely? Go to the Windows button. You can see here Microsoft SQL Server Tools, expand it, and Management Studio, you can select it. This is one way. Or simply in the Windows, type SS. Just type SS. You will get the Management Studio option, guys. If not, just add M, SSM. You can see the SQL Server Management Studio. Like this, or you can simply type Management Studio, any shortcut you can use. Studio means whatever studio files are there, it will show you. That's it. This is how you can open SSMS, guys, once you installed. Clear? Any questions, doubts? So when you open SSMS, automatically this SSMS tool will open and it will open with this kind of interface. Okay, so now you are trying to connect to the SQL Server. Okay, so in the login section, server type, you installed a database engine, right? So you want to connect to database. As a DBS, mostly will connect to database engine only. If you are connecting to SQL Server, means you are connecting to database engine only. Other than database engine, what we will have, guys? Analysis services, reporting services, integration services, Azure SSIS. So if you want to connect to analysis, you will select analysis. If you want to connect to reporting, you will select reporting, and integration, you will select integration. But as a DBA, our work will be there on database engine only. So make sure database engine is selected. Now, which instance you want to connect? There are two instances. One is default instance, second one is named instance. So just click on this drop down, browse for more, expand database engine. There you can see the instance names. One is your computer name. Second one is your named instance name. Yesterday we discussed it, right? If it is a named instance, sorry, the instance name, the full name will be computer name / instance name. So this computer name is like a family name. I can install batch 56 in another VM also, but I can install batch 56 in another VM also. But how they are going to be differentiated? Using computer name. This is 4HM batch 56. That can be 5HM batch 56, 6HM batch 56, 7HM batch 56. Like that it will be differentiated, guys. So your computer name is like a kind of family name. Okay. So you know, right? We can have multiple names with the same name. Multiple people can be there. Okay. So how we are going to be differentiated? Using your surname, family name. Okay, K Charan, P Charan, C Charan, D Charan. The same way we will have computer name / instance name. So this computer name will help you like a family name. Okay, so let's connect to default instance. I'm going to select a computer name. Click OK. Okay, now how you are connecting? I told you, right, authentication. If you remember during the installation we discussed how you are connecting to the SQL Server using Windows authentication. Windows means Windows level credentials. Already I logged into the Windows machine, right? And remember guys, this account, have you ever seen this account name anywhere?
Yeah, it's a host name. Yeah.
Host name, have you ever seen during the installation, guys?
Yeah, yes, sir. Add current user.
Very good, very good. When you click on add current user, this account will be added. That's why when I click connect, automatically it will be connected. Why? It will not ask username and password. Then Shanmugh queries the security. This will be covered in the security concepts. Okay, so forget about this connection security and all. You can just make this as connection security optional. Generally, we don't use it. This is the latest version in the SSMS. It was installed. Okay, so in case if it was mandatory also, just click on trust server certificate. If you don't click on trust server certificate, when we are connecting, you will get an error. Okay, the connection was successfully established with the server, but an error occurred during login process. SSL provider. So like that, trust server certificate settings to the connection to unblock the connection, it is saying. So what you can do, it is asking you to remember. So just click on yes, like that you will get it. Otherwise, you can simply make that connection as here. Again, you can use the same connect button. If you make this as a optional, even though if this was not selected, you can still connect, guys. Okay, so this is how you can connect to the SQL Server. Previous versions, it will not show this option. Up to here only it will show you. Previous versions, connection security part, it will not show. Up to here it will show, and then connect button it will show. If it is showing mandatory, then simply select trust server certificate and click on connect. Okay, it's already connected, right? So that's why it is highlighting. Right? So this is how we can connect to the SQL Server, guys. Questions, doubts? So when you are doing installation, you will select add current user. When you select add current user, it will create an account in the SQL Server. So that's why you are able to connect to the SQL Server using that account. Don't think SQL Server, we are able to connect to SQL Server without username and password. Don't think like that. It is not asking. It's already, when you are logging to this machine, you already gave SSMS, you already gave the administrator username and password. So OS side, you are already verified, successfully verified user. So, and you are having a SQL Server access. We selected add current user, right, in the installation screen. So an account is created. So account is created, permissions are there, and you already log in with the same account. That's why it is not asking username and password. And if you remember, if you choose SQL authentication, it will ask username and password. This username can be SA, and I told you, right, you should be handy with SA password. You can give the SA password, but we haven't enabled SQL authentication. We have enabled only Windows authentication. Later, I'll show you how to enable mixed mode authentication. So this is how we'll connect to the SQL Server, guys. Questions, doubts? Are we good, guys?
Yes,
Yeah,
Shanmugh.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now let's discuss about SSMS for a while. In the evening session, we'll cover other things. This part is called Object Explorer, guys. This part is called Object Explorer. 1 minute. So this part is called Object Explorer. Everything is objects in SQL Server. Everything is an object, guys. This is one object. This is another object. This is another object. This is another object. So everything is an object in the SQL Server. So using this window, you are going to explore it. Explore it. That's why this is called Object Explorer. Okay, this is your Object Explorer, guys. So next, this is your connect button to connect to the SQL servers. This is your disconnect button. Connect and disconnect. So no need to worry. So you can, whenever you want, you can connect using this connect button. You don't want, you want to disconnect. Select the instance and disconnect. Disconnect doesn't mean you are stopping the instance or restarting the instance. Disconnect means you are just disconnecting from the SQL server. The SQL server in the backend, it will be up and running only. you are simply coming out from the SQL server, like log off kind of thing. Okay, so again you can connect, click on connect button, again just click on connect button, you can connect. If you don't have any work, you can disconnect and you can connect to some other instance. So this is how you can use connect button and disconnect button. And this is your ribbon, the top part you can see here, right? So here you can see all the SQL Server controls, right? Whatever controls are there, those controls you can see on the top part. It's a kind of a ribbon. So using this, you can, okay, what we can say, open lot of options like file, and you can open any scripts and all, any projects and all, SSIS projects, analysis services cubes. So any folders, you want to open new query window, new query editor, and like this, you can see here, different options will be there. Slowly we'll use few of the options, not every option will use, few options will use slowly. So like these are the different options will be there, guys. Okay, window, float and all. So this will be like, you can see three options, right? Window position, this is like auto hide. If you just click on auto hide, it will be hide like this. Okay, if you want to open it again, you can just click on open button. So otherwise, when you are working, automatically it will be hide. Okay, so just to stick like this, just click on this pin button again, it will be sticked. Okay, and this is the close button. For example, by mistake you closed this management studio, by mistake you closed that object explorer, by mistake you closed that object explorer. Still you can get it using this tools option. Yeah, view option. See here, object explorer. Either you can use F8 also. F8 also you can use to get it. Okay, so like this you can get it. So these are the explorers, plus and minus. If you just click on minus, it will be minimized, and if you just click on plus, you can see all the options. Every folder you can just expand, and you can see what and all things are there in that folder. So these are all different options that we can see. Polybase we haven't installed, right? So we'll get there. So now let me tell you one thing. Now you can see this feature called always on or polybase. So these features are installed in the latest versions like 2017, 2019 and all. Always on was installed in the year of 20, I mean to say introduced. Always on feature is an excellent feature. Going forward, we'll discuss. It's a high availability and disaster recovery feature. So always on feature was introduced from 2012, guys. So if you connect the 2019 instance in 2005 SSMS, you cannot see this polybase and always on. Why? Because these are the latest features, and you are using older version of SSMS. So you cannot see these two features in the 2005 SSMS. Why? Because in the 2005 SSMS, there is no polybase, there is no always on. So this is how the SSMS will be deferred, guys. Is it clear, everyone? If you use older version SSMS to connect to the higher version SQL servers, the higher version features won't be visible in the lower version SSMS, guys. Is it clear now, everyone? So when you
Yes.
connect to the SQL server and if you don't see that feature, don't worry. Think that you might connect it to the lower version of SSMS. Everyone, is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's it for now. Okay, in the evening, and I don't want to load too many things in one class. So in the evening session, we'll connect and we'll discuss the other things. If you have any questions, okay, I'm good to take the questions now. We have enough time. Just let
Shenmukh,
me know if you have any.
for an instance, how many user can connect to the through SSMS?
Will be discussed in the security.
Okay. Hi, Shanu. While installing SQL Server, we have installed SQL aware services and unaware services, right? So we have browser service also installed here.
Will be discussed in the next class.
Okay.
Okay, so what is aware, what is unaware, everything will be discussed, okay, in the next class. How many services will be created, what is like shared services, specific services will be discussed, okay. So wantedly I'll skip means why? Because I can tell you in one line. So you don't get it. So when we have a deep discussion, again, like others will be confused. So I don't want to deviate the class. So whenever we need, during that time, we'll discuss those things, guys. Okay. Any other questions, please?
Shanmugh, all recorded videos will be added in the same folder, right? So we
Yes.
received.
Guys, I just gave you those who are registered already. Okay. For you, I gave you the access to the software, to the notes, to the material folder, and even to the videos folder. So no need to wait the video that is going to be published to the YouTube. No need to wait. So you can directly go to your registered Gmail ID. You can go to your Google Drive. Okay. There you can see left side. You can see where is this Google Drive. Yeah. Left side you can see Google Drive option. If you go to your Gmail ID and all, if you click on this 9 dots, you can see Google Drive option or drive.google.com you can use. Log in with your registered Gmail ID. And you can see left side shared with me option is there, right? Click on the shared with me option. Here you can see all the material, the notes, softwares, everything you can see in this section. So this is how you can access the videos, notes, material, softwares, guys. You just go and check. You will not get any email. Sometimes you will get it, sometimes it will treat it as a spam. So go to your Google Drive, left side, click on shared with me. You can see the videos. So there are two folders, especially B56 videos, B56 material. So these two folders will be updated. So once the class is completed, I'll add the video to that folder. Automatically, you can watch the video from there itself. No need to wait for the YouTube videos. Clear?
Yeah, Shanmugh. Any notes will be provided for this
Everything,
classes?
everything. Yeah, will be provided. Will be provided. Apart from running notes, you will get a separate notes for each topic.
Clear, Shanmugh. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, Shanmugh. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions, guys? No questions? We are good? Okay. So if we are good, that's it for now. And in the evening session, we'll connect at 7 p.m. IST and we'll continue the discussion, guys. Thank you all. Bye. Good day. Good night.
Bye, Anna.
Thank you. Thank you, Shanmugh.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Sanjay.